We're gonna become rich from this.
Oh no, it's pretty well ripped. Well, all right guys, today we have the beautiful snap-on special edition Traxxas Sprint Car, and we decided to try it out with some of our paddles here. I'm not really sure if we're gonna strip the gear and never be able to use this thing again and just throw it in a dumpster, or this is about to be the coolest creation we've ever done on the channel. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I can't wait to see how these paddles work.
I put 2S back in it.
Oh, I thought you put a 3S.
No.
I thought you said you put a 3S in it.
I thought about it, but I don't,
Why not?
I don't want to.
Okay, you don't want to break it yet?
No.
Okay, then disregard everything. All right, guys, so
Disregard everything.
So we put another 2S back in this thing. We're gonna go run it until probably it breaks or Byron just decides to throw it. As more paddles do. Oh! Oh! You did hit a tree. Straight on.
Oh, I broke something.
Oh no. You did hit the tree straight on.
And I broke something. What did I break?
Oh no.
Oh, I broke the chassis.
Did you really?
I broke the chassis right there.
Dude.
I smacked the crap out of that tree.
Oh, a longer screw might fix that.
No, like the whole chassis is broke right there.
I know, but I'm saying the longer screw, you could probably fix it. Oh no, it was so mint until he smacked a tree. Oh, look how the front is flying now.
All right.
It's not mint anymore, we can't sell it.
I'm gonna go back to the truck. It's broken. Front end.
Oh.
Hey, maybe that helped it.
Yeah. It seems like it's doing better wheelies now.
I can't believe I broke the frame.
Byron finally broke it.
That's all I do.
Whoa.
I get the Traxxas and see if I can get another frame for it, dude.
Better be just as much as we paid.
I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna go get a frame for it. I'll just buy another one. And use that one for parts and put it on this one.
Yes. Buy a mint one and put the parts on this one.
Yes.
Because this is the OG on the channel.
Yeah, I know.
Oh no. Oh. Oh. Woo! Nice little hill climb. Oh, that was an acorn. I thought you lost something.
Running is so funny.
I know.
All right. I don't care about it no more.
As he full throttles it. Oh. Is that the gear? Oh. Or the drive shaft. I hope it was just a drive shaft.
No, it still drives.
If it's the gear, we're screwed.
Yeah, Brett. Get it right.
Uh-oh.
I don't know what it is.
How did it not? It's the diff. Dude, it's the diff. No. Well, now you get to take it apart and see. Oh my gosh. Byron, I can't believe you broke our investment.
Listen. Oh no. Can't carry it.
No. I thought it was going to make it through today, Byron.
Told you he was gonna die.
We didn't even get to do our 3S speed run. Do you have brakes?
No, that's reverse.
Oh God, it's completely done for now.
Well, boys and girls, that's not what you do.
That was our investment.
We're gonna become rich from this.
I don't even think you meant to do that.
I didn't mean to do that. That was comical though.
Oh no.
Oh man.
Well, oh.
This chassis is already broke. What?
Oh no.
Oh.
It could be fixed, Byron.
Oh, drive shaft broke.
It could have been fixed.
I overextended it. What do you mean it could have been fixed?
mint before this video.
Oh, back of the body's a little scratched.
Oh, that's no problem.
Yeah, that's no problem. I'm gonna drag it back in.
No. Oh, okay. Oh, this one hurts me.
This one hurts you?
Yes.
Why does it hurt you, dude? It broke! It's garbage, man! Oh!
I heard a little kid scream when you did that. Oh!
Oh, no. Oh.
I think it's still perfectly fine.
Yeah. I don't know about that.
Oh, no, it's pretty well ripped. No! Chill out. No! Slightly used on Facebook. We can Gorilla Tape that back.
I see why I'd overexerted because that ball bearing thing popped out. This still worked.
Yeah. Well,
Man.
it was beautiful. Let me smell it. Ow.
Why would you touch it with your nose?
I touched my nose to it. That burnt. Well, I hope you guys enjoy it. This is going to be a long video.
Yep. So.
How do you really feel?
I'm sad. I'm depressed. Are you depressed?
I am depressed.
Why are you depressed?
You destroyed our only investment car.
There's no such thing as an investment car.
Yeah, you're
Sit still.
Yeah, you're right.
Sit still. Good girl.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of the almost destroyed.
Oh, I pulled the wire out.
When we started this video, we didn't plan on doing this, but you know how it goes with Byron.
This is probably hurting a lot of people.
Nah, people will be all right.
Aw, this thing's valuable.
Well, it was valuable. We could have still sold the body for like $800,000, but you decided to rip it.
Did all right.
It did do all right.
Yeah.
Let's just hope it was a wheel hub.
No, that wasn't a wheel. I'm pretty sure.
That's got to be the diff.
I think it's the diff.
Nope, hub's on.
Yeah.
No connection.
There's
in
no
it.
sound.
It's probably plastic diffs.
No, they're metal discs. It's like from a 4x4 slash kind of sort of.
Yeah. Out of all the cars, I feel sorry for this
Oh.
one. What'd you do? Whoa! It threw messed up. Just pop it back in place.
Pop it back in place.
What the?
Oh, I broke that. I broke the rest. Oh, what is this? What did I break off here? This is off of the body. No,
Not the body. No. Wait.
where'd you come from? Did I fix the wheel?
Yeah, you did. Nope.
No, there's a pebble in there. Okay, there we go. Are you laughing about how materialistic people are?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. This one's gonna really hurt. I don't know if people will watch it this whole video all the way through, but we can definitely make it into a short.
I don't think anybody's gonna watch this one. I mean, they'll watch the video, but they'll once they see it getting destroyed, probably stop because they'll be like, "Ah." The bad part is, you know what's sad? Is you can't just buy these. You have to buy the whole front end.
Yeah.
Whenever I threw it.
Yeah.
All right, let's go home.
All right, we'll leave it. Some kid will enjoy that car. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and let us know what you want us to do with this car. Do you want us to, like, you know, raffle it off, or just watch Byron burn it in a barrel?
Yeah, I'm down for burning it.
Yeah, we can just make it into a glob, like
Yeah.
just one glob.